He's probably the coolest daddy that every kid in India would want to desire for. And the best part being, he endorses the best brands in India. Shahrukh, could you please be my daddy?
Absolutely. Whenever you say, I'll adopt you.
So we're here for Videocon DDB. You've been completely a techie person that we know of in Bollywood, who's got some wonderful knowledge about technology. So what is the latest gadget that you have for yourself?
Actually, it's a little bit of a misnomer. I know a bit about technology, but when you're a movie star, then everything is a little exaggerated. So, the newest gadget I don't have. I mean, I'm normally just with my laptop and stuff. And I think if you now have a laptop or a television like this, which actually doubles up as a computer. You have the world at your feet or at your beck and call. You can do anything that you wish to. Whether it's in terms of creativity, in terms of just fun or entertainment. I mean, you can just really live a whole life with a little bit of digital world at your fingertips. So there's no new gadget that I have. But yeah, lately I've collected the new one is the new Beats wireless headphones. Yeah, so that one's there, and the new A50 Astro talkback mic and headphone for video games online. Yes, all that stuff I have. Though I hardly know anyone offline. I mean, and online I have hardly any friends, but I have that headphone. Yeah.
I have to ask you now, your film with Mr. Yash Chopra, the untitled one, I would have to say. Do we see the old Raj coming back into the Yash Raj films again?
I don't know. Again, somebody said, how often have you played Raj and Rahul? So I quickly counted that I was Raj in Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. I was Rahul in Dil To Pagal Hai. I was Veer in Veer Zara. I was Kabir Khan in Chak De. And I was Suri in Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi. And have I forgotten any of the films? Mohabbat I think I was Aryan. So I've never really played too many Raj and Rahuls in his film. It's just understood like that. Maybe if I count it, maybe 4 times. Maybe, yeah. I think everyone thinks I've been Raj and Rahul, which is sweet. But having said that, I think Yes Ji himself is one of the most. Is this the right word to use? Evolutionary or evolving director. 50 years. There's no director in this world who's made films for 50 years, directed films, and he has been constantly doing it. Yeah, he's had a break this time for 7 years, but what he does is, he believes in stories, whether it was Siddhiwar or Trishul or Dar, or suddenly you have something like, Dil To Pagal Hai. But he's always within that whole. So you were an obsessed lover in Dar, you were this really cool Rahul, Naam To Suna Hoga in one film. So he keeps on evolving, himself. So this is a love story because Yash Ji likes to make love stories himself now, as much as you tell him. Yash Ji, let's do an action, nahi yaar, ye banayenge hum. But there is a huge difference in it. As a matter of fact, the last time when I was watching a part of the film, he says it's very different from how you act in love stories. So I hope people don't come expecting X and get Y, or it'll be nice and pleasant that they're coming expecting X and you give them X plus Y. So hopefully it'll be X plus Y. The character I'm playing obviously is hugely affected by Katrina and Anushka because these are new actors I'm working with. Anushka was really new and raw then, but now they've all come into their own. So it helps me, to be honest. I'm not being modest. I think it just really, it's interesting to work with them on scenes. Makes me want to do it differently. If you keep doing the same stuff, then, so like I said, as long as you keep yourself entertained. So I keep myself entertained by the fact that can I keep up with this enactment or their interpretation of the scene instead of sitting next to them and saying, listen, the scene should be done like how we did when we did that Raj and Rahul. So I think there will be a difference because of the acting give and take with these actors. Yash Ji himself is evolving. The story is very different. And I think the making is also quite different. And A.R. Rahman Saab and Gulzar Saab, part of it. It's a team which Yash Ji has never worked with. So yeah, it's going to be a different kind of mix, yeah.
And I don't have the statistics with me right now, but almost whole of India is a Shah Rukh Khan fan. I wouldn't be wrong if I say that a lot of people actually go out and worship you. So, with Ekta Tiger releasing soon, we've also got the promos of this untitled film coming out. So is there any excitement that you see amongst your fans or probably your family, probably Aryan, who's grown as tall as you now?
No, I don't think the trailer's coming out with the film. Okay. I think it's just, I keep hearing so many things about the work we are doing, but this is one of those things which is not happening. I think the trailer will come out a little later. We're not ready with the trailer. a team which is not ready with the title of the film, I mean, you least expect it to be ready with a damn trailer at this point of time. So right now we're still shooting the film. We still have to think of a title and then hopefully make the trailer. So the trailer is not coming out right now. And yeah, but when it comes out, I hope it invokes, for its own sake. Hopefully we made a good film. See, bottom line, Yoshi is making film for 50 years.
You know that.
No, I'm making it for 21 years, and I don't know. When I'm asked questions about how does it feel, I've done 72 films, I think, and I feel as excited as I feel as if it's my first shot, and I feel as anxious as if it would be my last shot. Besides that, everything within that is where my life ends. I can't understand. Are people excited to see it? Like even within actors, when you ask, so your film is coming, are you excited? They say, now's the time, we've made it. And, so yeah, when we come out for interviews, we say, yeah, please go and watch the film. And, maybe we have to say that because everyone asks us that. But if you really honestly, and I really wish sometimes, when I'm promoting my film, somebody actually seriously sat down and talked to me and said, what do you really feel right now? It would be completely different from the reactions I give to the questions that I'm asked. Because, you're asking me, so you think it'll be 100 crores? So I have to answer, yeah, so I'll answer that. So is it going to be a big hit compared to... So I'll answer that. But if you really sit down and ask me, or any of the actors, we do talk to each other. And, it's, hey, all the best for the film. How's it looking? Everybody seems to like it. I hope everybody likes it. And, we make an offering. Film is an offering.
Right.
Film is not a... it's not anything else. It's an offering. Will you please like this? It's not like you have to like this or, just watch out for this. We sell it like that. But it's an offering. So Mr. Yash Chopra's film, which is called production number 45 right now, is an offering. And I hope for the sake of everyone involved in it, everybody likes it and everybody watches it and everybody feels happy that we've put in our best foot forward. And nothing more than that. I don't know what else to say.
I've got something to show. Over the Videocon press conference, DDB press conference, I've got this really cool thing like 3D glasses, and you're like a master poser, I feel. And I wouldn't want to lose this privilege of posing with you. If you could teach me like some 3 poses with a 3D glass, how would it be like?
3 poses with 3D glasses.
3D glasses, yeah.
You can do the Don pose.
Okay.
If you want, yeah. I don't know if wearing these glasses you look like Don or not.
I go like this.
Yeah, just like that, a little down.
Uh-huh.
Your hand, that's one. You can do the James Bond pose.
James Bond pose.
Yeah.
No, I think it should be the other way around.
Okay. So you're the girl, right?
If you make it.
The sheriff.
Oh, this is something that...
Fantastic. And the guy who did the interview before, please don't show it to him, otherwise he'll replace me with you.
Shah Rukh, thank you so much. Pleasure talking to you. Thank you so much. Thank you. So that was Shah Rukh Khan giving us the best poses that we could ever imagine in our 3D lives, probably, in Mumbai with VJ Rishi Abhishek Datta for News 8.